Hey everybody, it's Shannon Miller from Clean Freaks TV, and I want to give you some industry norms and some national averages for the cleaning industry. You may or may not know that the national average for a professional maid service or cleaning service is roughly $42 an hour per person. In some areas like New York City or certain parts of California, it actually is significantly higher. I've seen it anywhere from $75 to $82 an hour per person. It just depends on where you're located. Within my area, I actually am getting significantly higher than the $42 an hour. On average, I am getting more than $50 an hour per person. So those are nice norms to know and to have. And you may or may not know, but it takes roughly 350 clients to hit the seven-figure mark. That's not 350 random clients, that's 350 reoccurring clients. And what I consider reoccurring are weekly and biweekly. I know there's a gray area with the monthlies, so you'd have to recalculate the math with the monthlies because it does add on significantly to the 350 mark. The average conversion rate from getting the ring into an initial clean is roughly 50 to 60%. I have found that mine is about 53%. So 53% of all the phone calls I get, I'm able to convert into an initial cleaning. The average conversion rate from an initial clean, a top to bottom deluxe, into an actually regular reoccurring client is roughly anywhere from 41 to 50%. Mine ends up being about 47%. So those are nice norms to have. You should also be marketing above your attrition rate. And if you're not familiar with what attrition rate is, you've heard me talk about this before. And that's where your client drops off the list for sickness or illness or cancer, or they move out of the area, or they lose their job, or they get another job, or the kids move back home. There's so many reasons on why the attrition rate happens. People move, mass exodus from one state to another, those types of things. So for a small business, up to 50 clients, your attrition rate is usually about 2%. For medium-sized business, that's 100 to 200 clients. Your attrition rate ends up being anywhere from 2% to 3.5%. And then for large businesses, that's the 500,000 mark to the million mark. It ends up being 4 to 5%. And then franchises end up being anywhere from 6 to 9%. So 6 to 9% of every client base that you have in a franchise is going to fall off the schedule at any random time. So you need to market according to that. Anyway, I thought I would inform you, and I look forward to hearing your comments listed below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and that's Clean Freaks TV. I can be found at Clean Freaks University. That's KLEANFREAKS University.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. So that is some national averages that you can use to kind of gauge where you should be in your business. If you need help with pricing, you can actually take my course. It's called the Pricing Blueprint for Cleaning Services, and I can send you the link.